Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to use multiple WhatsApp accounts on one phone quick and easy. Step 1. Using the built-in Add Account feature in WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now tap the three dots at the top right corner. Next, tap on Settings. Tap on Account. Then select Add Account. When a pop-up appears, tap Add Account. Tap Agree and Continue. Now, log in using your second phone number. Once logged in, you can switch between accounts by tapping the three dots at the top right corner. Select Switch Account. And that's it. You now have two WhatsApp accounts on one phone. Step 2. Using the Dual Apps or App Clone feature on your phone. First, open Settings on your phone. Search for Dual Apps or App Clone. Tap on it. Next, tap Create or Enable. Choose WhatsApp. Toggle on Dual Apps for WhatsApp. Tap Turn on to confirm. Your phone will now create a second WhatsApp app. Open the newly created WhatsApp app. Tap Agree and Continue. Now, log in using your third WhatsApp account. You can also use the Add Account feature again inside this app to add a fourth WhatsApp account. Step 3. Using WhatsApp Business and cloning it. First, open the Google Play Store. Search for WhatsApp Business. Download and install the app. Open WhatsApp Business and log in using your fifth phone number. Once done, go back to Settings on your phone. Search for Dual Apps again. Tap on it. Enable Dual Apps for WhatsApp Business. Your phone will now create a second WhatsApp Business app. Now, you can log in using your sixth WhatsApp account. And that's it. You successfully set up multiple WhatsApp accounts on one phone. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.